before everything just went
Guys, we
blank.
are out of the car wash. I wouldn't say washing the car, but he's doing something. Tempting to wash it. Huh? No flick of the wrist though. Yeah, actually, he's kind of crazy. There's his friend, Jorge.
Bro, what the F is a Huracan doing here? Shout out to my man, bro. Daily driven exotics for real.
The next morning.
Alright guys, so we have spawned into a car meet right here at the Nose Attack Cars and Coffee. Got the booper looking nice and right over her. Pulled up a little late, some of the homies are here. You guys can see Johnny peeking over there. Oh, I think Johnny got the TEs on. I don't know if I can show this. I don't want him to get in trouble. Nah, I'm just playing. The satin black M4, this is sick. With the clutch, Puerto Rican flag, I see you. Mama huevo, mama huevo.
What did he say?
But damn, look at Johnny with the Beyonds. He got the Beyonds on. Let's go take a closer look. I've yet to seen it with the Beyonds. You guys know he had the black Rihannas. NSX. Nice. I like, sir. I like. Alright, but Johnny with the Beyonds. Okay, Johnny. Shit. And he's about to get the carbon fiber hood soon, too. And the new wing. Damn, I see you, big dog. I see you. Let's go. Oh, there's the other homies right here, too. The Century. This thing is a baller. The wheels too. Right hand drive. We got Brett Supra right here. Damn. What does he have on the back? He's on 305s? He is on 305s. Damn. These are the ones that low-key might get. The Sabre designs. I actually really like these because it's like the whole piece. The brush finish on the TEs, bro. Come on. That is just baller. Jeez, I see you. Oh my god, just as I was talking about your car, dude. I love it. I actually really love it. It's alright. Nah. That's obviously Brett right there. Clean as build. I really like it. And he just got the Bright seats too. He was actually gonna buy mine, but then he found these. I'm pretty sure he got a seal on them because they're not in the best condition, big dog. The McCleasy, the Huracan. Couple builds out here. The red Supra. Then we got the black one with the apexes. Man, look at the tilt. That camber. Nah, this is gangster. Camber.
Oh.
That's camber. I really like it. On the VS's too. Well done, sir. I like it. I like it. A lot of people don't really like stuff like this, but I love this shit. And then we got the homie Sal's M340i with the triple chrome cage. And he's also on a T51R mod as well. But look at the seats, bro. I like the seats. The houndstooth. Chilling? That's right. This is already looking sick. That's that Iron Man spec. Adros, wide body. They look good in the sun, bro. It's probably the first time I've seen it in the sun. It's usually in the showroom. And then this Ferrari, ooh, on the SSRs. We always see this one, always showing out. I think it's sick. Alright, y'all, so the music is loud in here, but we got the Liberty Walk R35 in here, but it is loud. This music is hella copyrighted, so I'm trying to speak as loud as I can. We got that Paul Walker design right here. We got a C8, another Liberty Walk, all Liberty Walk builds in here. So sick. A Liberty Walk Aventador and McLaren. Damn. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? R34 Liberty Walk. This is what they came to showcase here. Damn, that thing is a beauty. Crazy. The wrap itself is insane. Bro, this thing is so sick. Look at the rear end on this. Oh my god. Nah, this is insane, bro. This is different. Look at the box. Look how the edges look. That's crazy, bro. This thing is beautiful. They killed it with this shit. They absolutely killed it. Check out this little set beamer right here. And then we got an SF90 over there, just chilling in the back. And then this wrap color I really like. Ever since they like first dropped it a while ago, I always loved this wrap color. This color is just so sick. Imagine on the Supra. I think it'd look good on the Supra. I'm just saying. Then we got a purple R35. Okay, on the TEs, triple chrome. I see you. Yeah, bro, it was really hard to record in there. It is like loud with music. So even with the noise cancellation that I have on, it doesn't probably clear it as well. But yeah, dude, there's this right here. This metallic silver or matte silver, I want to say, on this M2 is really sick. Like it really shows like the body lines and the shadows and all that. It's pretty sick. The GT3 RS. Yeah, this thing is clean. Damn. That blue and white all around. Now this is baller right here. I need that. That's baller spec right there. I need me one of those. Hold up. This Corvette is pretty damn sick. This thing is slammed to the ground too. That cherry red wrap. This thing is sick. On the clear tails too. Quad exhaust. Even the wheels. Those wheels are nice too. The way they poke out. The fire Corvette. So yeah, pretty much just chilling. Been walking around. It is loud with music over there. So I'm trying to like stay away from the music. But that shit is loud. I don't know how well the noise cancellation is working on these. So it's my first time using it. I just figured it out because I'm a goofy gooper. But hopefully it works very well. The R8 though, the R8, it look good. You see the V8 peaking. And then we saw the purple McCleasy that pulled up in here. Obviously had to pull up with the supercars, you know, only right. Got Finding Nick, chill. Finding Nick as food. Obviously in the Milliotone booth, because we got that Milliotone wrap. And then Carlo, you already see. All right, looks beautiful. Wide body M4 right here. Looks so sick. Damn, he got the Liberty Walk seats too. Shit, my fault, pimp. Yeah, beautiful M4. The G80 with the 222. Okay, I see you. I like that. And we got the homie Brandon right here with his Street Hunter wide body Supra. Looking absolutely clean. The AMG GT right here though. Damn, that thing's also fire. Oh, we got Beeves right here. What Beeves wants, actually. And then we got a Z. What Beeves wishes he had. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, he's gonna comment for sure. He's gonna be like, ah, why you hating on me? Then we got this one right here. I think it's a, I don't even know, honestly. I'm in confusion right now. But I don't even know, maybe 330? Y'all let me know. I don't know what it is. I'm sorry. Got some Subis, Hondizis, another Subi right here. This one's actually very clean. I like it. On the BBSs. Okay, player. Bro, then we got this beautiful Ferrari right here. This thing looks insane, dude. Just look at this front end. Whoo! Go next to him with the Liberty Walk Supra. We got the homie Sean Supra. It is back. We got the homie Sean back. You know, he was in an accident and his car was down for a minute, but he is now back and running. Hell yeah. And if you guys notice, he's on BBSs. He's on Alex's BBSs. Shout out to Alex for letting the boy borrow the wheels, but these things are sick on here. They look really good on his car. And they made it look like nothing ever happened either. Jeez. They did a really good job.
1 week later.
Guys, so welcome back. Well, not welcome back. It's welcome back for me because I'm picking up the vlog. But it's been like a couple of days now and just letting you guys hear that T51R scream real quick, you know. But no, in all seriousness, I'm headed to Temecula and this is a perfect time to show you guys how obnoxious the T51R is on the freeway. Unless I have it like at a high gear and I keep it under 2K RPMs, I'll be fine. If I want to like catch up on some speed or like even if I give it like some baby throttles, you can hear it like just whistle. So I'll show you guys right now because someone commented on that last video saying they wanted to hear it on the freeway. I got you right now. So hopefully you watch it because you're about to hear it right now. All right, so this is a perfect example. I'm in 6th gear and look. I'm barely giving it any throttle, guys. But look, if I want to step on it, usually if I keep it like a little like this under the 2K RPMs and I just have it like this, like feathering it, and you can still hear it. Yeah, this is your drive on the freeway the whole time. There it is. And that's just with a little bit of feathering. Sorry, I'm a little sweaty now because I had the AC off so you guys can hear it. So imagine my drive, just 2 hours of just trying to not to like spool so loud. And it's especially hard in front of the cops, bro. There was a cop in front of me earlier. Oh my God, I was shitting it. I was like, please just go ahead of me. That's one downside of having the T51R. Like, it's just loud. Like, it constantly sounds like you have a big turbo all the time. Which is cool. But sometimes like long trips will probably get obnoxious. So today I'm gonna find out if it gets obnoxious or not. And bro, the spot we're getting at, the Airbnb I'm driving to, it's amazing. You guys are gonna see right now. This is gonna make me sad because I don't have the lip. I wanted to get some dope pictures and I didn't get the lip in time. It's okay, but bro, that house is gonna be so sick. I'm gonna take some pictures and some videos in front. Alright guys, so I kind of found the sweet spot right now. So as long as I'm going like this and I'm chilling under 2K, no whistling, I'm fine. Normal car here, normal civilian. But once I give it, fuck man, I'm just trying to blend in with you guys. I had some dude break his neck. He was like, who the hell was that? See, look. Big turbo coming through, big turbo, watch yourselves. Dude, there was a semi truck that would have been the perfect example of what the T51R mod is like. Semi trucks, they have turbos, obviously, to carry that damn weight. Their engines have a turbo. Every time, if you pay attention to the semi truck, when they step on it, and you hear the turbo is spooling like, and then once they let off, it's the. So it's basically the same thing. It's like the same shit going on. Alright, so I've been driving for a couple of like hours already, and look. If I'm going uphill, bro, this thing is loud, right? And just even just stepping on it, cruising, look. Like if I can keep it like this, I'm chilling. But if I go uphill and I need to catch some speed, bro, and I'm feathering it. Look at this. You guys can deal with this, hey, get you the mod, but if not, probably don't get it, because this is what you're gonna be hearing like on the freeway. Look at this, bro. I'm going uphill and I gotta step on it, so gotta drop a gear. Just to catch some speed. Damn. Would you look at this view, guys? I didn't record much yesterday or the day before when I got here because everyone was just getting pretty much lit. But we out here. This is pretty much the Airbnb. But yeah, bro, this Airbnb is really, really nice. I think it has like, say 5 or 4 bedrooms, I think. Get this whole view. Very quiet out here. This is why I wanted the lip, bro. The lip would have made some dope pictures here, but it's okay. Well, majority of everybody's pretty much still sleeping though. Hold up, let me show y'all the back. Look, a lizard. Hey, dude. Little golf course if I want to play some golf real quick. Nice pool. Little seating area. Has like a little playground for kids over there. Yeah, bro. Everybody was just pretty much chilling out here. Damn, this is like, obviously you guys can see the stuff on the floor. We got to clean up a little bit. But it's a dope little vibe. Shout out to the homie Rafi. Just got married. Congratulations to Rafi and Britt. I appreciate y'all for inviting me to y'all wedding. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you guys the inside or anything too much because everyone's still sleeping in the rooms and all that. It's probably a pretty dope weekend out here. Got to chill with my lady, her family. Had a nice little party at the wedding. And now we're gonna get up out of here. Me and my girl about to dip and go back to the valley. We got like a 2-hour drive. No, 2 hour and 30-minute drive. So yeah, my girl's got homework. She got to study for her quiz and all that. So this might be a wrap for us today, y'all. Well, guys, take a look at where we at. We're no longer in Temecula, bro. It is the next day, actually. And we are here at Subaru. And you guys might be thinking, what are you doing here? Is this for you? Are you buying a Subaru? Nah, bro, it's actually my girlfriend. We're here to actually pick it up, and I'm gonna take you guys and show you guys what it looks like. I'll let you guys guess what she's getting in the comment section below. I don't think any of you guys will guess this. Getting one of these. Is she getting one of these? What's she getting? What's she getting? Wow. Man, this thing is nice. It's a big old screen too.
Yeah, for real.
And the carbon, the dry carbon. I like that. Even on the doors, damn, that thing is nice.
I got more carbon than him.
Nah, you don't. For real. I'm gonna slam it. Put some lowering springs on this. No, I'm just playing. But no, this thing is actually really nice. I really like it. Other than the black, like the plastic trims, it's nice. Almost looks like dry carbon. It's a weird texture, but it looks nice. This thing is clean. Wow. This thing is very nice. Crosstrek. Yeah, I don't think a lot of you guys would have guessed this. All-wheel drive too? Damn. Y'all thought she was getting like a BRZ. WRX, I mean. Very spacious, very, you know, girl car-like. How you like it? You like it? Yeah, you got a full tank? Must be nice.
4 months for free.
Sold, Allison. But this thing is nice. She's going through the whole review with him right now. But this is sick. Congratulations to my girlfriend and her new car. Shout out Subi. We Subi ganged up. They just shot us some glasses because they probably Subi gang. This thing's actually work. UV protection. Say less. Oh yeah. So all paperwork is done. I think your car's up. Wow, new car. I got all the paperwork done. Now we out of here.
Star.
What?
Push the star.
Oh wow! Congratulations to my girl and her new Crosstrek. She's really excited, as you guys can tell.